Hey there, I'm Apple Crider with Investing Simple. In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at how to transfer a brokerage account from Fidelity over to Robinhood. Now, as a beginner investor, there's a lot of pressure to pick the right investing app. And maybe at this point, you've realized that Fidelity is not the best place for you and you would rather be investing at Robinhood, whether it is the simpler interface, the crypto trading, or any number of other factors that you might find appealing about Robinhood. This video is going to show you exactly how to do that process safely, securely, and quickly. And quick side note, we do have a video comparing these two apps head to head if you want to make sure you're making the right decision, which you can find right up here. But now let's dive into the simple three-step process for transferring from Fidelity over to Robinhood. Now, the first step is to transfer your assets out of Fidelity. So you're going to have to decide which stocks or ETFs you want to actually transfer over to Robinhood. Now, unfortunately, Robinhood doesn't actually accept inbound ACAT transfers. And what that means in English is that you're going to have to sell your investments first and then move the cash over to Robinhood. So the actual process you're going to have to follow here is step one is selling your assets on Fidelity that you want to transfer. Then you're going to take those funds and move them over to your bank account. Step two is to set up a Robinhood account. And if you use the link in the description below, you're going to get one free stock valued up to $200 just for opening up that account. Once that account is open, you're going to link it to the same bank account that you withdrew your funds from Fidelity to that account. You're going to link that up via Plaid, and if you're not sure how to do that, we have a quick video right up here on exactly how to facilitate that process very quickly and safely. Then step three is going to be to transfer into Robinhood. So you're now going to take those funds from your bank account, move them into your Robinhood account, and you can then choose to invest them into the same stocks that you had before, or you can invest in different stocks and ETFs or cryptos, depending on what you are looking to invest in. Now, keep in mind that as you're going through this process, when you sell your stocks from Fidelity, there are likely going to be tax consequences associated with that action. That's because whenever you sell a stock for a gain or a loss, there are tax consequences. If you sell your stocks for a gain, you're likely going to be paying taxes on that gain amount. If you sell them for a loss, you might get a tax deduction for that loss. This is very important to keep in mind because if you have significant gains with Fidelity, you might want to think about whether you actually want to transfer to Robinhood, and if so, how much you actually want to transfer over. Now, one other thing to keep in mind is that this process is going to take some time. So all in all, it's probably going to take around 10 to 14 days for you to go from your stocks at Fidelity to owning those same stocks over at Robinhood. And during that time, those prices may have moved a bit. So what you could do if you have enough cash, say you've got $1,000 invested with Fidelity and you've got $5,000 in a bank account, you could actually buy and sell your stocks at the same time. So you could sell your stocks on Fidelity today and buy them on Robinhood today and then move the cash afterwards. So that's an option for you if you have the funds to do so. But if not, you might just have to wait and hope that the stock prices didn't move too much. Maybe they went down a little bit, you'll get a better deal, or maybe they went up a little bit and you'll have to pay a little bit more. Totally just depends. Now, if you want to learn more about how to transfer from Fidelity to Robinhood, we have a step-by-step tutorial on our website, investingsimple.com. The easiest way to find that is to head on over to Google, search for how to transfer from Fidelity to Robinhood, and then click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.